Ooh la la, who's ready to make some? Guys, I literally seen these Scottish salmon meatballs and I was like, oh, what is that? I've never tried this before, so this is my first time making this recipe. I've got onion, cherry tomato, some basil. I love fresh basil. I've got bell peppers, some avocado oil, spaghetti, and I've got some cheese on the sides. Guys, choose whatever cheese you want to use. This is a quick 15-minute recipe. When I tell you it's quick, it is quick. I've even preheated the kettle just so I can speed up my cooking time, okay? Because one thing I love is I love a quick lunch meal, a quick meal that is absolutely tasty and delicious, but yet didn't have to cost me too much time, because as you guys know, time is an asset and it's absolutely valuable. So right guys, I'm gonna just blend everything together, because why not, all in one. This meal is so quick. I'm putting everything into one, all the spice ingredient all in one, and I'm gonna blend it together. I absolutely love this blender. Is it even a chopper? A chopper. It's called a chopper because it chops everything up, and voila. Bam, bush, bosh, all diggity done. Guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button, ding ding ding, click it, so you can be part of the family just like magic. Guys, I'm gonna put these meatballs in the air fryer just because, listen, while the spaghetti is cooking and I can make the sauce on the side, this is in the air fryer because we are speeding up the process. Like I was saying, guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure to click that subscribe button and become part of the family. So the spaghetti is on the side. I've drained it. I've just checking this. Look at that, done like 5 minutes already. Steam. The spices, guys, it's up to you. Feel free. I'm not gonna go into which spices I used, but all I know is you basically need your salt, your pepper, you know, a bit of vegetable seasoning, and you know, boom. And if you want to add chili, add it, pepper, add it. So the meatballs were done, so I'm literally blending everything together. So basically with the spices, I've just slightly fried it. I don't like to overcook it because it's all fresh ingredients, so I never like to overcook my paste, because it's all, especially this type of paste, the tomatoes are fresh, the basils are fresh, the onions are fresh, everything is fresh. So it really takes about 5 minutes. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put all the spaghetti together now and then just mix it gently and slowly together, because the meatball cooked on its own, the spaghetti did it on the side, and I just want to blend it together. So this dish is absolutely quick, fresh and delicious. Okay, you can use different type of pasta if you want to. You know, it's entirely up to you. But yeah, so I'm just gonna blend and toss everything together just so the spaghetti can marinate well with the herb, the tomatoes and the spice. Guys, personally, when it comes to pasta, I don't like to overpower my spaghetti. I really like my spaghetti to get the flavor of the herbs and the spice. Okay, so it is ready. I'm just gonna serve that up now. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more quick recipes, this is perfect for lunch, because you know, you don't want all of that heavy pasta late in the evening. So this is perfect for lunch, so it can take the whole day to digest and you can go to sleep feeling light. Guys, the salmon meatball was actually quite nice, although I don't know if I'm going to be buying them again, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, they had a really nice bite to them, very nice for like a snack, I would say. But perhaps it's the air fryer that dried it out a bit because it kind of grilled it, but I really enjoyed it.